YouTube channel. Guys, I cannot explain to you how excited I am to film this video. I literally woke up this morning like buzzing. Cooper is excited too, of course. My little filming buddy, my little working from home friend. Say hi. If you're new here, my name is Ellie and I am a mum of 2 boys. This is my youngest and my eldest is at school. And I love to film anything to do with basically being a mum or the home, cleaning, that kind of thing. And today's video is super exciting because it is a clean and organize with me video. And I'm planning some sort of rearranging in the kitchen area, and it's something I've been planning mentally for a little while, and I've invested in some new bits and bobs to put around the kitchen to make it feel much more organized. Yeah? And we're excited, aren't we, Coopy? Yes, we are. If you're wondering what that purring is, there's the culprit. Say hi, Jibby. Oh gosh, who knew a dog could sleep stood up? So there you go, that is today's video. So stick around because I think it's one that you'll really enjoy, and I will see you at the end of the video to talk about how it went and to say goodbye. But yeah, enjoy the video and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I'm starting in the utility room. The first thing I need to do is take down the clean washing, fold that, put it away in the basket, and then put the drying rack back out of the way. I don't have any wet washing to hang up for today, which is unusual.
My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I missed you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head.
I'm now going to wipe down the surfaces using the Astonish Rose Water Surface Cleanser. This smells so good. So just using a cloth, as you can see, we get a lot of dust in here because of the tumble dryer and the clothes and everything. The surfaces get really dusty, so I try and wipe these down every day. And I'm also going to give Cooper's Perfect Prep milk machine a little clean as well.
I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars, the ones that healing. They're all there.
Now I will admit I have not cleaned this window for a while. As you can see, that is a dead fly, I'm pretty sure, in the middle there. So I'm going to use my cloth to clean this windowsill thoroughly and all the windows, because I plan on tidying this up a lot and putting some new things on here, so I really want it to look nice and sparkling.
I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.
Okay, into the kitchen now, and the first thing I need to do is tidy up a little bit and sort out the dishwasher.
Now it's too late, I know it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of
you. So using a fresh cloth but the same Astonish Rose Water spray, I'm just going to spray down all of the surfaces in the kitchen. I don't really want to organise the kitchen unless it's all nice and clean, so I want to clean it first so that it's all fresh. When it comes to the hob, I want to use my Cif cream. I love to use Cif cream on the hob, so I'm going to take off all of the bits and pieces, put some Cif cream down the middle, and use a fresh microfiber cloth to give it a good scrub.
I'm out of time.
Don't forget to always buff with a dry cloth as well when you're cleaning with Cif cream on shiny surfaces like this. So I get a tea towel in just a moment and buff before I finish, and that leaves with a really nice shine.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you...
Okay, I'm going to do something weird now, and I'm going to clean my sink using a bit of my favourite fabric softener. I haven't lost my mind. I used to do this all the time, and I haven't done it for ages, so I thought, let's do it. So I put a bit of hot water in the bottom of the sink and a tiny, tiny drop of fabric softener, and I cannot explain to you how amazing it smells. Obviously, the whole room just fills with this scent, and it smells so, so good, and it also makes the sink really, really, really shiny. It's really useful for cleaning the sink. I mean, I promise I'm not mad. Try it, and you won't regret it.
Come back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you.
Okay, on to the fun bit now. Now, I got these labels from an Etsy shop called ORGANISE Collection. I'm going to link it in the description box below, and I'm going to stick the labels onto the matching jars. So I've got my dishwasher tablets label, I've got one for my bicarb of soda, I've got one for the washing tablets, the stain powder, everything, and I'm going to stick the labels on. Now, I did come across a bit of an issue with my really curved surfaces, particular this jar here, but I'll talk to you more about that at the end, how I'm going to try and solve that problem. But yeah, I had a lot of fun labeling all my containers.
Out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
So the first jars I'm going to put away are in the utility, and I've got my spare pennies, the washing tablets and the stain powder, and I'm just going to neatly put them in the corner here with these fake lilies. I think this lily plant was from B&M, and I like how they just all sit together neatly in the corner here.
Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you.
Now the windowsill in the kitchen, I feel like having a complete change. So I'm going to take all of this down, and I'm going to completely reorganize my windowsill. I'm going to move my huge eucalyptus jar into the corner, and I'm going to put in my newly labeled jars for my dishwasher tablets and my soda crystals in the corner with the eucalyptus. And I'm going to see how I feel about that. But actually I'm really, really happy with it. Then I put some of the photos back in the other corner, and I add a little candle in there as well, and I'm really, really happy with my new windowsill setup. I think I'm going to keep it like this for a while. I really think I prefer it.
Catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune.
Say hello to my beautiful new soap dispensers. These are also from ORGANISE Collection, who I have linked in the description box below. And I'm going to decanter some hand soap and some dish soap into my beautiful glass new dispensers. And I cannot wait to put these in the kitchen.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we...
So out with the old and in with the new. And this little bamboo tray was from Amazon. I've also linked that for you below. And I love how neat and tidy the bamboo tray looks with the soap dispensers on top.
Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune.
So now I'm going to add my stickers to my tea and my sugar, but I'm going to talk to you more about these stickers at the end of the video.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up.
I also got a hanging plant that I found in B&M that I'm going to hang up in the window in the utility as well, just to add a bit more brightness and a bit of greenery. And now it's time to organise my new cleaning basket. I found this basket in B&M. I got a sticker like all of the other stickers I've been using, special one for my cleaning basket, and this is going to be my new best friend. I'm going to keep all my essentials in this cleaning basket. So all of the products that I use day in, day out, all of my must-have, couldn't clean without products are going to live in this basket so that I can easily pick it up and carry it around the house with me. Now I can't organise my cleaning basket without organising the cupboard, and look at the state of my cupboard. I'm ashamed to show you it, to be honest, but we are going to empty it, we are going to clean the shelves, and we are going to reorganise. I'm using the Cif Power and Shine spray to get all of the grime off the shelves here, and it's worked really well. These cute little organisation boxes I also found in B&M. I'm going to have one for my cleaning cloths, so I'm just going to fold all my cleaning cloths and put them in that one, and the other one has got my other cleaning utensils, so like my old toothbrush that I use, my lint roller, little things like that, little other instruments that I use to clean around the house.
When you stepped into my life, such a...
And in this tiny container here, I'm going to put my refills for my plugins.
I wish I could go back to right before you.
And the moment of truth, will my cleaning basket fit in my cleaning cupboard? I was a bit nervous doing this because I hadn't tested it, but there you go. It fit perfectly. So I actually have two cleaning cupboards. This is the other one that lives in the utility room, and oh my gosh. It's got ridiculous, guys. I can't believe, I mean, look at my face. I can't believe I've let it get to this point. So I emptied it completely. I put the plastic bags all together in one big bag. Then I've got my spare dishwasher tablets, my rinse aid, my softener. I am going to organise this a little bit more. I am going to get baskets, I think, in here, but this will do for now. And then in the top I put my overflow cleaning products, so the products that I don't use every day but that I do need occasionally. My overflow products are going to go in this cupboard.
Could have tried much harder, all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high.
And there you have it. After a couple of hours of hard work, I have a very organised, very uniform looking kitchen and some very organised cupboards that I hope are going to stay organised for a while. I'm going to try really hard to keep them that way.
Look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same, like strangers.
There you go. There was my organise and clean the kitchen with me. Oh, don't look at that bit. The kitchen with me video. I hope you enjoyed. Obviously there are some bits that I need to change. So they work really well on this size and on this big one here, but obviously this one where it's so curved, it's just impossible to get the sticker down. And then a similar situation on the tea and sugar. So what I'm going to do from the same website, I'm going to order the smaller version and see if I can get that to lay a little bit flatter, but you can see what the results would look like. I'm so much happier with this space. It's just a lot neater and tidier. Everything looks nice and uniform. Obviously I'm happy with my cupboards as well. No one likes a messy cupboard, or I don't anyway. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching my latest video. If you watch my vlogs, I'll make sure when I change the stickers to the different ones, I'll make sure to vlog that, or I'll at least put it on my Instagram stories anyway, if you follow those. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I can't believe how long that took me. Obviously, because I'm with Cooper, I kept having to stop and start to sort him out and, you know, to eat lunch at some point and that kind of thing. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next video.